Hey everybody, I wanted to show you something that I just realized recently. So I'm doing this pattern right here, and I'll get to the right view of it. There it is. So it calls for a long strip and then a circle. They have to be the exact size because they have to fit together. So when I traced it, here's what I do. I have my light table here, my light box. So I put my fabric down on it with the pattern underneath between the light box and the fabric, and I trace it. When I put it on my frame, my gripper frame, it stretches it. So I want to show you, that's how much it stretched it right there. So you can see the difference in how the pattern came out. So this dark one is where it's supposed to be, and the other one is how it stretched it out. That was the original. So what I had to do was take my covers here off of my frame, lay the frame upside down with the fabric already on it on the light table, put the pattern under the fabric, and trace it again. So this also happened when I did a circle recently. It distorted the circle because I was stretching the fabric on my frame, which stretched the circle and deformed it. So if you're doing this and it's a pattern like this where it's just uniform, it's okay. If you're doing it with a design that has letters in it or something, you're going to have to reverse the pattern in order to do this, because you're actually, and I also want to point out I used a Sharpie, so it does show through. You can see the lighter part that's shown through, that was traced on the other side. I hope you're following me on this, and it's not too confusing. If it is, just write in the comments if you don't understand what I'm saying. But what you have to do is trace it on this side, which normally you would have traced it off the frame on the light box and then put it on the frame. But that stretched it. And then it wouldn't fit to make it into the drum. So you have to do this. So again, if it's with lettering or something that's not just a basic design like this, before you trace your pattern on this side of the fabric, you're going to have to reverse it, or it's going to be wrong when you have the finished product. And that's just something that I realized recently, and I just wanted to share that with you. I just recently did, let me see where I put it. Oh, it's drying. This circle. Same thing happened with this. This is a mini tree skirt by 2 Crows, and when I put it first on the stretcher, the gripper frame, it distorted the circle, so I had to redo it, trace it on the other side, which in turn reversed it. And I didn't realize that until I was already almost done. So, which it doesn't matter on this pattern if it's reversed. If it had letters or a design of something that it would matter, then you need to reverse it before you trace it. Again, if you have any questions, let me know. Write me in the comments and I'll try to answer. Here's my little craft room. It's coming right along. And there's my loud heater coming on. But here's some of my stuff. Oh, these are my 2 latest finishes that I showed on one of my other flosstube videos. There's Frosty and there's Santa. They're in my Etsy shop until they're sold. There's only one of each. And I believe those are also in my Etsy shop. So check it out, priviesandprims.etsy.com. And that's something that's ready for next fall. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Bye.